Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to route inbound phone calls to a Python webhook using Telnyx Voice API. The app answers the call, play a text-to-speech greeting, and hangs up, whatever you want. For that, we do have a repository here, which is called Telnyx Code Samples, Telnyx Code Examples. And in this repository, you need to go to this app, which is called Route Phone Calls to an AI Agent Python, and just follow the instructions. Just clone it, and after cloning it, you can just copy the environment template and add your Telnyx API key to it, and the public API key as well from the portal. Then you're gonna start the Flask server and use ngrok to expose it. Then set the ngrok URL as your call control application webhook in the Telnyx portal, and that's it. So I have everything that's told here set up, and I'm going to show you how that works. So let's see. So let me switch to my terminal here, and I'm going to run the app here. Let's see. So it's called Python the PY here. All right. So we are running the app. Let me show you how that will look like in real time. I'm going to press enter here, and we will see the complete call flow. This call has been initiated. It's ringing. There is an action is there that the call has been answered, and then event is triggered to your webhook. Somebody is speaking to the call. There's a female voice with English US accent, and it says, "Thank you for calling. Your call is important to us. Goodbye." And the event is logged that the call has been ended, sent to your webhook, and the call has been hung up. Yeah, very simple, straightforward. Go give it a try, and thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Have a nice day. Bye bye.